welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Deepak Collection. This is an exclusive retail studio for boys, girls, ladies and men. Total retail studio, only offline, no online. And this comes in a street called Sudhamanagar, which comes nearby Lalbagh, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. I'm standing in Lalbagh Road. So this is Lalbagh Road. And right opposite to this, you can just see there is called Brahmananda Court. So this one landmark. Right next to that, there's Blossom Banquet Hall. In between this, you have to go. There's a street you can just see. So just inside this street, you have to go. So when you come little bit forward, you can just check. Here is outlet is the Deepak Collection, exclusive retail outlet, exclusive family store. Totally 4 floors are there, very huge retail studio. So this is outlet, you can just have a only offline, no online. There is no online, only offline. 4 episodes are going to come. One is for boys, one is for girls, one is for men, one is for women. And the Google Maps, Instagram link, YouTube link is in description below. They'll be uploading regular videos over there. So you can subscribe to the channel over there also. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Hardik Jain. Hi Hardik, welcome to my show. Hardik, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
Yes, hello. Welcome to Deepak Collection. This is a complete family store. We get here for men's, boys, ladies and girls.
So there is no online, it's only offline.
Yes.
And how many years over for you in this business?
My dad has been in this business for more than 15 years.
What is the timing of your outlet?
Timing is 12 o'clock in the morning to 9:30 in the night.
Hi Hardik, welcome to the show again.
Hello.
So Hardik, in this episode, what you are going to show?
I'm going to show the men's section, that is
Okay.
the 3rd floor of the building.
Okay.
So
Third and fourth floor is men's.
third and 4th floor both are men's.
And what and all you'll get in men's?
Men's we get shirts, t-shirts, jackets, sweatshirts, pants, cotton pants, jeans pants, shorts, blazers,
A to Z.
A to Z, everything.
Okay.
Track pants,
Okay.
shorts. So I'm going to start off with men's shirts.
Okay.
We have all sizes from S to 5XL.
Okay.
So this is the starting. This is a kurta style shirt,
Nice.
and it costs 180.
Okay.
So and
This
these are the normal kind of shirts.
Okay.
This one costs around 350.
350. So this
430,
entire section you can just see
Yes.
shirts. You will get cotton shirts, linen shirts, lycra shirts, half shirts, full shirts. This entire section you can just see is of shirts. So many varieties are there for men's shirts. Just see the collections, and these are also few samples. I'm just showing you two samples. Just check the collection one. How many varieties are there in collection in shirts?
In shirts, you get about 1,200 to 1,500 varieties.
1,500 varieties shirts you will get. This is total retail outlet, no single piece, no wholesale. Only you have to come to the outlet. And apart from this, this is a section of t-shirt.
T-shirts, yes.
So in t-shirt, what size to what size will get?
S to 3XL.
And starting price?
Starting price is 100 rupees,
Okay.
and it goes up to 350.
And how much collection will get in t-shirt?
Same, 1,500 pieces.
Okay, this entire section you can just see. You want to show 1-2 sample of the t-shirt?
Definitely.
So these are collar t-shirts.
These are polo t-shirts.
Okay. You can just see this. How much?
230.
230 rupees. Wow. Amazing.
This is daily wear 170.
Nice. 170. This entire section you can just see. Collar t-shirt. Sweat t-shirt also you will get here. Sweat t-shirt, how much it starts? Starting price? This one?
This is a full sleeves t-shirt actually.
Yeah. Okay.
These starts from 180.
180.
Actually starts from 150.
Wow.
And then it goes up to 300 rupees.
This round neck again.
Yeah.
Very nice. This starts from
Same, 100 rupees.
100 rupees. So this like, you can just see like this you will get. This 100 rupees.
Yes.
Only 100 rupees.
Yes.
Online-
Starting price is 100.
Starting price, all price are
This is
different.
160. The starting price is 100.
Okay, starting price is 100.
Yeah.
And this section is also t-shirt.
T-shirts. Yes.
Again, this section is all t-shirt. You can just see.
Everything is sorted in size wise.
Okay, entire sections you can just see. This all is t-shirts only. Okay, and apart from t-shirts, what do you get more?
We have jeans pant.
Okay,
We have cotton pant.
okay,
Shorts.
okay,
So I will take you through the jeans pants first.
okay. So this section is for jeans, and you can just see size. What we'll get?
We get from 30 to 40 size.
30 to 40 size we'll get, and starting prices
30 to 44, sorry.
30 to 44. And
Yeah.
starting prices
Starting price is 250 rupees in jeans.
250. Okay,
Yeah, it goes up to 800.
250 rupees.
Yeah.
Wow, just 250.
Starting price is 250. This is 500.
Okay, all prices are different.
All variety, you get every kind of variety.
And you will get all types of fit, straight fit,
Yes, straight
pencil fit, ankle, whatever fit are there, you will get
Regular
everything.
fit also is there.
Baggy jeans, you will get
High
toned
waist, low
jeans.
waist. Yeah. So this is 670 rupees.
670 rupees. That's it.
But
And
this is a branded jean.
trial room is there. You can just see the
Yes.
collection. How much collection you have in jeans?
We have over 2000 collections in jeans.
2000 collections are there in jeans. You can just have a look. This jogger jeans. This is how much?
550 rupees.
550 rupees. And you also have cotton pant,
Yes.
everything, formal pant.
Cotton pant is on the fourth floor.
Okay, what about this section? What do you get?
This is
Sweater and
sweaters
pullover.
and pullover.
Okay,
So the starting is around 150 rupees
okay.
and you get it up to 400 rupees.
400 rupees. And
Yeah.
size?
Size is S to 3XL.
And how much collection will get in sweater and pullover?
You get around basically 1000 to 1500 any given point in the store.
Okay, so this entire section you can just see is
Yes.
sweater and pullovers. Price he has already told you. This is a section for sweaters and
These are some
pullover.
of the-
And this section is for jacket. You can just
men's
see.
jacket.
Okay.
We have these colors, varieties, too many varieties. Starting price is 250
Okay.
and goes up to 700.
Okay, and size what we'll get?
Size S size 2 to XL.
And how many collections you will have in jackets?
In jackets we have around 500 collections.
500 collection. These are just few samples. You can just have a look. Sleeveless, full sleeves, all types of jackets you'll get over here. And then apart from jackets, what you'll get?
We have these sweaters, pullovers,
Oh wow,
sweatshirts.
nice. How much collection you'll have in this?
In this approximately there are at the store currently there are 2000
Wow.
and we have many more varieties in the godown.
Okay,
also.
and starting prices?
Starting price is 250.
And size what
And-
we'll get?
Size you get from S size to 2XL. size.
Okay, wonderful. This entire section is what?
Sweatshirts,
Sweatshirt and
sweaters,
okay.
pullovers, jackets.
Cool. Nice. This
And
entire
then
section you
again
can just
we
have.
here
a-
have half sleeve shirt.
Oh, nice. These half sleeve shirts.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there are some varieties.
Okay. Starting prices?
Starting price is 150, 120 rupees.
How many collection will get?
You get easily around 300, 400 pieces.
And size what will get?
Size same. S size to 3XL.
Okay. Okay. This entire section is what Hardik?
Shorts, men's shorts,
Shorts.
cotton shorts,
Okay.
jeans shorts.
Okay. Size what will get?
Size you get S size to
Okay.
4XL.
And starting prices?
Starting price is 150
Okay.
and goes up to 350.
And how much collection will get in shorts?
You have basically around 3000 pieces in shorts
Wow.
in any given time.
Okay, then
It's
apart
there
from
inside also.
okay, then apart from shorts,
We have jackets.
okay,
Little more variety over
this is a cotton zip type.
zip type.
Okay, in this what size to what size?
S size to 2XL.
And starting price?
Starting price is 200
Okay,
and goes up to 450, 500.
okay. And these are how many collection you will have in this?
In this particular kind, we have around 400.
Okay, 400.
And these type of jackets, we have 3 to 400.
Okay, cool, nice. Okay, 1 second. And so Hardik, what about this floor? What do you get?
This is also men's floor. It's
Okay.
a fourth floor.
Okay.
And here you get formal pants,
Okay,
cotton pants,
okay,
and big sizes like 3XL, 4XL shirts.
okay,
The previous floor,
okay,
it was only up to 2XL.
okay.
XL. From here, you get 2XL, 3XL, 4XL, and 5XL on this.
5XL also. Okay, this. Okay,
So-
then.
These are the shirt variety.
Okay,
And then we have cotton pants over here.
okay.
Uh,
How much collection you have in cotton pants?
we have more than 3000 collections in
Wow.
cotton pants alone.
Size what and all
You
will
get
get?
all sizes.
Okay.
You get from 28 to 44.
Okay.
46 also sometimes. Very less variety, but yeah, 46 also you get.
And starting prices?
Starting price is 350
Okay.
and it goes up to 800, 780 rupees.
Okay. All prices are different.
All sizes are different. See, this is a formal pant,
Very nice.
400 rupees.
Okay.
You can wear it to office,
Okay.
any function also.
In this what size will
It
get?
is 4-way lycra.
Okay.
In this also you get all sizes.
Okay. So this entire section you can just see
Yes.
cotton pant, formal pant, more than 3000 varieties are there. And on the right hand side you can see about shirts. You will get till 5XL. These all are 5XL shirts. You can just have a look. 5XL shirts. Just check the size. Store very few places. I think in India this must be one of the few places where it's such a big outlet. 4 floors are there. 4 episodes are going to come. Number is on video screen. WhatsApp video call them. They'll send you all detail. But only offline, no online. And what about this?
There are also a different variety of cotton pants.
Okay, cool,
This
nice.
is quadre pants.
And trial room is also there.
Trial room is also there.
Okay,
This is a quadre pants.
Cool.
The price is 500
500.
and it is top quality quadre pants. that we
Okay,
have.
and all. And just see this. These are few more
These are
samples.
also formal pants
Okay, nice.
and the price is 700
Okay,
because
cool.
this is of little high quality.
Okay, stitching, fitting you can anywhere see. Trial room is there.
Trial
No
room is there.
issue
So
only.
you can come in.
Just check it. 7 days they open.
This is a jogger pant.
Okay, nice. Cool.
450 rupees.
Okay.
All the varieties we
Okay.
have in short.
Very nice.
This is formal pant.
Done. Understood. Formal pant, cotton pants, jeans, cargos, 6 pockets. Very nice. This. Just see. Fabric also nice. Quality is superb. Again, these jeans sections. Jeans till what size you'll get? You said
Jeans 44.
44.
We
Okay.
have in 44 size.
44 size. Okay. Cool. And just see the size again. Such a huge outlet this is. And this section is what?
Again, cotton pant, formal pant.
Cotton pant, formal pant again. Lot of varieties, lot of collections. Trial room is also there, so no issue. You can come, you can just check, and then I'm sure once you come, you will not go empty hands. So many collections, basic, mid, high range, all types of clothes for men's. You'll get 4 episodes are going to come. And what about this section? Denim.
Denim jackets.
Okay, size what we'll get?
There is limited sizes in this. It's only 2XL, 3XL,
Okay.
M and L.
And start-
ML, 2XL, 3XL.
Starting prices?
There's only one price. 550. in all.
550. Okay. In this, how many colors we'll get?
There is two varieties in it.
Okay.
Two
Cool.
different kind of varieties.
So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having superb collections for men's as well as kids as well as ladies. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love their collection and you'll become their regular customers. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.